All right, here we go with 6th grade Excel, lesson 78. Today we're going to be learning about selecting an equivalent fraction and simplifying improper fractions as part of mixed numbered answers. So here we go with our studio audience. We got Emma and Kaylee and Taylor here. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Taylor's on the computer right now. I don't think he's much interested in this math lesson. Compare the given fraction to each of the choices. One of the choices is an equivalent fraction to the given fraction. Which fraction in the set is equivalent to 1/2? So what they're going to do is they're going to ask you this question with one fraction, and then they're going to give you several different fractions, and you have to pick the one that matches, basically. Okay, you do not need to do what they've done here, which is to change every fraction into its simplest form. All you need to do is prove to me that 1/2 is equal to the fraction that you choose, which in this case is 7/14. So really the only show work you would do is something like this. 1/2 is equal to 7/14 because you're going to multiply 1 times 7 and 2 times 7 to get the 7 and the 14. Again, you don't need to do all this work right here. Just show how the two fractions are equal. Now there might be some times where you'd have to simplify the fraction that they give to you in order to find the fraction over here in the choices. For example, what if they gave you the fraction 4/8 and they said which one of these is equal to 4/8? Well, you can't, you can't change 4/8 into 7/14. You can't do like times something to get that. So what you have to do first is simplify the 4/8 down into 1/2 and then show it as equal to 7/14. So watch out for those types. Got that, Emma? Mm-hmm. Okay. So here are some problems. Select the fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. 12/18. All right, so do one of these kind of pop out as looking like it's equal to 12/18? Doesn't look like it. Not too easy there. So what we want to do then is simplify this fraction here, 12/18 first. And what can I divide 12 and 18 by?
6.
6, right. So that would be 2/3. Now can you spot a fraction here that might be equal to 2/3? Do you think 7/9 is equal to 2/3? No. How about 8/12? Could that be 2/3? Yeah, okay. So how could we show that 2/3 is equal to 8/12? 2 times 4, 3 times 4 is then 12, right? Okay, go ahead and try numbers 2 and 3 and show your work by doing what I've done right here, and do that here for 2 and for 3. Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Okay, who wants to do the first one? Emma's going to do the first one for us, number 2.
Okay.
Okay, so she's going to try to figure out which fraction is equal to 3/4. Cross out, we use a little strategy of crossing out the ones that you know for sure are not it.
Okay, so for sure this one probably not it. Right?
For sure, probably?
Yeah.
You see any that for sure would not be equal to 3/4?
No. All of them could be equal.
How about 4/8? What does 4/8 reduce to?
Oh no.
Yeah, so 4/8 could not be it, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So which one, take a guess, which one do you think it is? Okay, so prove that to me.
Okay. 9, 12 divided.
Oh, good, you put an equal sign. Okay, so 9/12 is the correct answer. Good job. Now Kaylee's going to show us how to do number 3. You think you know what the answer is? Okay.
Wait. Okay. Well, I know for. Oh wait, never mind.
Need some help from Emma here?
I think it's this one.
Okay, prove it.
Because 4/12 divided by, each one divided by 4 divided by 4 equals 1/3.
Okay, good. Now circle 4/12. Hey, you got it right.
36 could have been equal to that too.
3/6 could be 1/3?
Never mind.
No, 3/6 is 1/2. Okay, now what we're going to do is whenever the answer to a fraction problem results in an improper fraction, change it to a proper fraction. So if you do a math problem like this, where you get an answer that's an improper fraction, 5/4, head's bigger than the butt, you got to change it into a proper fraction, which means that you're going to be moving one number over into the whole numbers place. So 2 5/4, as you add up and get this answer, is equal to 3 1/4. I'm going to let you go ahead and try numbers 5 and 6 on your own. Pause the video and turn it back on when you have an answer. Remember, the object of the game here is to change your improper fraction into a proper fraction. You can pause the video now. Okay, do we have anybody that wants to volunteer to do these?
Her.
Okay, here goes Kaylee.
Wait, okay.
Number 5.
Okay, well, you have to make the denominators the same. So you do, to get 2D, yeah, you do times 3 equals 3, 6 over 3, 6 equals 6 over 6, which equals 1.
Forgot a number there.
Wait. Oh. 2, because 1 and 6, so it equals 2. My bad.
Right, yeah, don't forget that whole number in there. Okay, now pressure's on for Emma. Here we go. Common denominator. What's the common denominator of 6 and 4?
24? No, 12.
Okay.
Sometimes it's easier if you write the denominator first so you can see it after both of them. Once you figured it out, yep. So you're multiplying top and bottom by 3 down there in that bottom one. And then you're multiplying by 2 on the top one. Okay, that's good. And you get 19/12. Hey, look at that. She didn't forget the whole number, huh? Like some people do. 2 and 19/12. Can you leave the answer like that?
No, because it's
No.
improper. Okay.
So what's 19/12 equal to? Thinking.
12 only goes in 19 one time.
One time, right? But then you got the number 2 there along with it.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Do undo. Hit the undo button over there.
This one?
Yep. No, the other one. Okay, hit it again until all that stuff goes away. There
Okay.
you go.
So that's 1, right?
2 and 19/12 is equal to 1.
No. 3 and 7, 12.
Okay, how'd you get the 3?
Because you add, sorry, I forgot something. Okay, 1, oh no,
19/12 is equal to what?
1, 7, 12.
1 and 7/12. Okay, 19/12 is 1 and 7/12, and you already have 2 there, right? So 2 and 1 makes 3,
Yeah.
and 7/12.
That was
All right, great job, Emma. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching our math show today.